Hello everyone, my name is Ashraf Romani. My student number is 210, 201, 876. Today we'll be presenting a project, a data camp project. It's the calorie intake calculator. This project is designed to help users to calculate their total calories and nutrition intake based on the food they eat and their quantities. Uh, the calorie intake calculator is a Python-based tool that calculates total calories, protein, fat, carbohydrates, and sugar based on user inputs, of course. It's a very interactive program that uses a predefined JSON file as a nutritional database for accuracy. First, I want to talk about the program, the components of this program. It first loads the nutritional data from a JSON file. I believe it's called nutritions.json. This file contains all the information about various foods, such as their calories, protein, fat, etc. And next, we have the user function. It asks for the inputs, the food items, followed by their quantities. The program checks if the food is available in the database, and it then handles the invalid inputs. So it handles errors for this case. Once the input is collected, I don't know why it's not showing. Once the input is collected, the program calculates the total nutritional values by multiplying the nutritional information by the user specified quantities. This is the function that handles all the calculation. And finally, the program displays the calculated totals in a clear and user-friendly format, as you can see here. We're gonna go through some examples later. I'm gonna show some examples, and I'm gonna show the full program. This program, it handles missing or invalid inputs by notifying the user. We're gonna see some examples later on. But first, I want to talk about the technologies used. One second, I want to talk about the technology used in this program. This program is written in Python. It's very, very ideal for handling data and performing calculation. JSON is also used to store the nutritional data in a structured and easily accessible format. The program uses standard Python libraries like JSON for loading and managing data, and input and print for interactivity. We're gonna see that later when I show the full program. The entire project runs in a local environment, making it lightweight and easy to use. Uh, for the features of this program, I want to talk about the features. The program allows user to input food items and their quantities in a simple and interactive way. And then it calculates the total calories, protein, fat, carbohydrates, everything. And then the program handles errors such as when a food item is not in the database, and provides a clear feedback for the user. And then it display, and if the food if the input is in the database, it displays the results in a clear format that is easy to understand. These features make the program practical and user-friendly. We're gonna see that later, of course. Now we're gonna go through some examples of input and outputs. Here I got the code. First, we have the library. We import, of course, the important libraries. Second, we load the nutritional data. This is the function that handles the JSON file. Then we ask the user to for an input, and it handles all the errors from the inputs. And then we perform the calculations. as you can see here in this function, and of course displaying results. And this is the main function of this program. I want to go through some examples here. Let's go through some nutrition. Like for example, we have nuts raw, ginkgo nuts. Copy this. Followed by the number of the quantities of this food. Now we can, as you can see here, it says type done to finish. So we're just gonna type done, and then it gives you all the results of this example here. Now let's go through some example where we're just gonna type something that doesn't exist in the JSON file in the database. For example, like I'm just gonna type my name. It says invalid format. Please use full food item quantity. It's not. This is not a food item. So it said it gives you an error. We can try another example. Chicken, boiled feet. Followed by the number. Click done. We can also add, of course, we can add more items. And then when we finish, after we click done, and then it gives you all the total of the nutritional intake. This is the script is very simple one. It's very forward. We got the user inputs, calculating all of the nutrition results, the main. So this is the project. Now I want to go through the challenges that I faced in this project. In this project, it was a very hard to ensure the JSON file was correctly formatted and accessible to the program, and handling user input errors such as typos. There's some typos typed by the user, some invalid formats. So I have to handle all those kind of errors while maintaining a smooth user experience, ensuring calculations were accurate and properly skill based on quantities, and overcoming these challenges helped me make the program more robust and user friendly. And I learned a lot about JSON and different functions like the input functions and calculation functions, everything. It was very helpful for this matter. For conclusion of this project, I would say that the calorie intake calculator is a simple yet powerful tool that calculates nutritional intake using Python and JSON database. This project helped me improve my Python skills, work with structured data, and handle user inputs effectively. With additional features, this project has the potential to become a full-fledged dietary tracking application, hopefully. We can expand the nutritional database to include more food items and additional nutrition like vitamins and like minerals, something like this. It could be so many things. We can add some matching to suggest similar items when a food is not found in the database, for example. There's like potential to add many things. This is yeah, this is it for this project. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your time. I will be so happy to do another project or update more on this one. And thank you for your attention. And yeah.